As my co-host, co-producer, what do you have for me today?
So I have some really good news actually. A fellow UWI STAT ambassador by the name of Olivia Williams had worked alongside Harvesting Humanity, a nonprofit organization, and their team to assist in donating funds in the building of a bathroom for a blind resident by the name of Mr. Simpson, who had been living without restroom facilities for many, many years. And this is something that's really passionate to me and UWI STAT and the Lender Hand JA Foundation that I am its vice president of, because all of us as a whole and youth as a whole tend to really try our best to give attention to the disenfranchised and the most marginalized youths within the Jamaican society, like the blind, like the disabled, and it hurts sometimes really to see the fact that this is something Jamaicans don't pay as much attention as they need to pay attention. Because the reality is, we should be paying attention to the blind, the disabled, and other marginalized groups within our Jamaican society. They are the reason why, we are able to have such diversity in our culture, really, if we think about it. Yet we do not give them any attention, and we should be giving them attention. So Ashley, what do you think about this? Because the reality is, why isn't this being talked about so much? Why is it that why don't we have attention bringing and people trying to help these people that really do need the help?
If it so happen that you're differently able, it makes it a little bit more challenging to operate and to exist in the Jamaican space